a rather strange one because we're going to be doing a ride out. You're going to see what I'm seeing, but you're also going to see me seeing what I'm seeing. So we can look at riding styles and we get to criticize the fuck out of it later. So off we go. It's a nice sunny day. It is cold, but the sun is out and we're going to make the most of it. So this will be fun. So hi guys, and we're heading over towards Ficton because I know there's some good roads along there and we get to just enjoy ourselves. So it should be good fun. And then you'll see me doing all of the moving around as we hit in the various bends and everything else. So we should have a bit of fun. I would have gone through the middle, but we were just close to the change of the lights, so I didn't want to cause an issue. And I knew that Audi was not going to stay where he was. He was in the wrong lane. Now I'm going to run this as a video in the video. And then we can get a chance to have a look at what we're doing. So I'm going to come off at here, find as many twisty roads as I can, and we're just going to have the fun. And so are all the cars coming my way. Awesome. Still, oh my god, we're going slow round the bend. I don't think I've ever been around this bend this bloody slow before. We're doing 25 miles an hour. What car does 25 miles an hour? We're in Germany, for God's sake. So as you can see, I'm resplendent in BMW everywhere. Gloves, jacket, pants, helmet, boots. Underneath this I got a BMW thermal as well, one of the base layers, because even though we're saying that it's fairly good, we're actually looking at, let me just go, it's 10 degrees centigrade, so it's not particularly great. Right, can we please get rid of these cars? So we're coming into the roundabout. I'm coming over to the left because I'm going to the right, and no need to lean over because it wasn't a sharp bend. and I'm stuck behind an Audi. Slightly exaggerated shift across the seat then. I wanted to show you how you use your body weight to counter steer. As you can see, the visor will be going up and down quite a bit because, trust me, this is one of the worst vented helmets ever. Don't get me wrong, it's a great helmet, I love it. But to make it almost silent when you're inside, well, I say almost silent, that's silent and you can still hear everything, but it is well, it is what it is. Is that a motorcycle coming to? Yeah, yes it is. I'm not going to scare you. Open the helmets a little because, believe it or not, I'm steaming up in here. So we're coming into the town, so it's all nice and slow.